Hello teachers, this is Ricardo and I'm super excited today as I bring you the news we have all been waiting for. Reading Coach by Microsoft now allow teachers to provide guided practice. What does that mean and why would you want to use it? We have heard many of you asking, how can I get access to the data when the students are using Reading Coach? So let me tell you what it is and what it is not. First of all, adding guided practice is going to allow you as a teacher to guide and monitor the independent learner practice with Reading Coach, with an emphasis on individual learners and their progress. They still are in control and they choose what they want to read. It is not a tool that is designed for class-wide assessment and comprehension. We have reading progress for that. With that said, you are welcome to use both. The ability to use Reading Progress and Reading Coach to help our students with fluency. So for Hacienda La Puente teachers, you access Reading Coach straight from our class link. Go ahead and click on it. It's going to automatically log you in. So we are in and it looks exactly like the dashboard for our students. So here is the little secret. How are we going to unlock this guided practice? Come to your coach, the little sun over here. It might be different for you if you have changed it and you have maybe a little octopus, Octavio, right, or anything else. Just make sure you find your coach and right click on it. And when you right click, it unlocks this new feature. You discover something new. Find out what. Click on it. And notice what happens. Welcome to customized student reading practice and track their progress. It's going to have open practice where students choose their content. So again, the ability for them to choose what they want to read and read towards a time goal. So you say, I want you to read for this amount of time for this week, or a single passage where students read a passage that you choose. So those are the two great choices with guided practice, and you're going to see the data is amazing. I'm going to do a different video. Today I'm showing you just how to unlock it. So you have to agree to terms of use. And now we have the ability to create a practice. So I'm going to click on it. You also can switch to student mode to see what it looks like at any time. So create a practice and you have two types of practice. You will give it a name. You will give it a due date. Open reading, when our students can get to choose whatever they want to read, right, and they just have to read for a certain amount of time, or a single passage where you're going to create that passage for them. So for today, I'm just gonna do weekly reading passage. I'm gonna give it a due date, and I'm gonna make it due in a week, and I'm gonna do open reading. We'll talk about the single passage next time. Open reading, and I'm gonna say that they're going to have to read for, and I can choose whatever I want to. Let's go with 90 minutes. And let's go next. And now that I created that, it gives me a join code for a student. So I can provide this link through my LMS, so through Canvas, right? Or if you use Google Classroom, to Google Classroom, or any LMS through Teams. And when the students click on it, it's going to put them in your team and you will be able to track that particular goal that you have set it up, and you'll be able to see the data, which I'm going to cover on the next video. So again, super excited to have guided practice with Reading Coach. If you have any questions, please let me know. Have a great day. Bye-bye.